Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enable Android System WebView on your Android phone. Sometimes this option appears disabled or missing, but don't worry, there are a couple of simple ways to fix it. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, tap on Apps and Notifications. At the top of the screen, tap App Info to see the full list of installed apps. Now scroll through the list and find Android System WebView. If you see it but the option is grayed out or disabled, don't worry. This usually happens because Google Chrome is handling the WebView function. Go back to the apps list and find Google Chrome. Tap on it to open the app settings. Now tap Force Stop and confirm the action when the pop-up appears. This step temporarily stops Chrome from taking over the WebView service. After that, go back and check Android System WebView again. If it's still not visible or enabled, we'll try the advanced fix. Go back to the main settings page and scroll down to About Phone. Now scroll until you find Build Number. Tap Build Number 7 times quickly. If asked, enter your phone's PIN. You'll see a message saying Developer Mode has been enabled. Now return to the Apps section, and you should see Android System WebView visible and enabled. And that's it. That's how you enable Android System WebView on your Android device. If this guide helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.